So hello and welcome to the garage. In today's video, we're going to be playing around with this little Hodaka. So we are here today with a fellow YouTuber who also is into these little motorcycles. His YouTube is right there. Go ahead and tell us about your bike here.
Well, I think this is a 1962 Yamaguchi Ace 100 with a Hodaka 100cc motor, and we're gonna see if it runs today. It's been sitting for probably 20 to 30 years, and we'll see what it does.
You guys are going to come along with us, and I think the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the spark plug, kind of see what that looks like, and we're going to check the oil, and then he's going to fire it up. So let's go ahead and get on it. That is not bad looking at all. What does it smell like?
Scrumptious. Fish.
All right, well, we'll go ahead and put that back in there. Let's go ahead and check the oil. Well, we have something on the dipstick. Go ahead and wipe it off here. We're close enough to the full line. It'll be fine for at least a first startup. So I guess the only thing left to do now is we're not going to worry about the battery, because these things do get spark without a battery, and how we tested that.
Do you want to show it?
Well, do you want to hold on to the screwdriver?
Sure.
All right, we'll show you guys how we test to see how we got spark. It's not fun. Kind of has a little bit of a to it, but it'll be all right. So we're going to go ahead and kick it over. Really get in there and look to make sure we've got spark.
There it is.
Perfect. All right, so now all that's left is to hope that that carburetor is clean and ready to go. All right, so while we're getting the clutch moved, I'm going to go ahead and fill the tank with a little bit of fuel. And we're filling this here with 2-stroke. Ooh. Now we're going to see if anything leaks, and so far so good. All right, now we'll go ahead and see if it fires. We almost had it. We had a little bit of a fart. Couple more. No. So here's our little mess here. We had a little friend living inside our exhaust pipe, but we got the little thing going. Now it's time to see if that clutch works and if we can't go right around the block. All right, we got this thing outside now. We're gonna go ahead and see if this little clutch here and gear system still operates. I have to feather it to keep it running. So here is a very interesting thing about this bike. Instead of like normal motorcycles, it is all the way up for first and all the way down for fourth, and that's completely backwards from your normal 1 down, 5 up or whatever. So that's a very unique situation on this. But we're gonna go ahead and close out this video today. I wanna thank you guys so much for joining us here at our little bike. It is such a...